Tackling the passive, making your English clearer. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into one of the editing techniques that can transform your writing from good to great. It's all about eliminating wordiness and making your sentences more direct. One key player in this game is the passive voice. Let's explore how to spot it and why you might want to avoid it in certain situations. Firstly, what is the passive voice? In a passive sentence, the object of an action becomes the subject of the sentence. It makes the action and the doer secondary, leading to potential ambiguity. Example: passive. The cake was eaten by John. Active. John ate the cake. Notice how in the passive example, the emphasis is on the cake, not John. While this can be useful in some contexts, it often results in wordier sentences. You might be thinking, so what if I use the passive voice? Here's why you should consider switching to active voice. 1. Clarity. Active voice often makes it clear who is doing the action. 2. Conciseness. Active sentences are usually shorter and more to the point. 3. Engagement. Active voice feels more dynamic, engaging the reader more effectively. How do we spot and revise passive sentences? 1. Look for to be verbs. Words like was, were, is, are, be, been, or being can be indicators. 2. Ask by whom after the verb. If you can answer this question, it might be passive. Example: the letter was written by whom? By Maria. Therefore, passive. Revision. Maria wrote the letter. Consider context. Sometimes, passive voice is necessary, especially if the doer is unknown or irrelevant. For instance, the cave paintings were discovered in 1940. Here, the discoverer's identity might not be crucial. Alright, learners. Remember, the passive voice isn't inherently bad. It's all about understanding when and how to use it effectively. By practicing identifying and revising passive constructions, you can make your writing clearer and more engaging. Keep practicing, and happy writing!